Welcome to the FXS series function tutorial. First, prepare the accessories from the FXS kit. Step 1. Remove the helmet liner. Remove the left and right side pads. Then remove the crown pad. Step 2. Install the speaker pads. Locate the speaker recesses inside the helmet. Peel off the Velcro backing. Attach the Velcro to both speaker recesses. Step 3. Install the speakers. Place the right speaker into the right recess. Then, place the left speaker into the left recess. Step 4. Install the microphone. For the boom mic, peel off the sticker on the back of the Boom Mix Velcro. Attach it to the corresponding spot on the inside of the helmet. Then, adjust the microphone so it's close to your mouth. For the wired mic, peel off the sticker on the back of the button tube Mix Velcro. Stick it under the chin of the helmet, near your mouth. Step 5. Mount the main unit. For the metal clip mount, first, attach the metal clip to the clamp. Insert the clamp into the left side of the helmet. Adjust it to the right position. Slide the main unit into the clamp until it clicks into place. For the 3M adhesive mount, first, clean and dry the left side of the helmet. Peel off the adhesive backing. Firmly attach the clamp to the helmet. Please wait at least 3 hours for the adhesive to set. Then, slide the main unit into the clamp until it clicks into place. Step 6. Route the cables. Connect the mic and speaker plugs to their matching ports. Tuck away any excess cables. Then, reinstall the crown pad and both side pads. Installation is complete.